guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to set a video as a profile picture on TikTok. Let's get into it. First, you need to have an iOS or Android device because you can only set a picture as profile picture on the desktop version of TikTok. Open TikTok app, go to your profile, tap edit profile, tap change video. The video should be as far 5 seconds long. So I'm gonna choose this 5 seconds long outro. Select 5 seconds of it or any part you want. Let's say 3 seconds and tap save. It's uploading. Go back to your profile. Here you go. You have a video as profile picture on TikTok. That's it for today. If you like my video, hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you get notification every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.